If you're dealing with saggy skin and a droopy neck, look no further. I'll share with you the most effective massages you can try. Let's begin with the first massage now to improve blood flow in your neck. What will we employ in our usage? We will utilize, not this guy, but the oil that is here. On the inside, you inquire about the oil we utilize. We opt for argan oil, which yields remarkable results. I have it at hand and will promptly apply it. Observe, we need just a small amount. We are going to, we'll grab it and put it on the side of the thumbs of the hands, here, like you're here to grab it. Notice we will start right down here, and we gently stretch a little bit toward the sky. How long do we do this? Approximately 1.5 minutes. Relax your neck, don't stretch it. Watch out for squeezing too hard. If you're pressing too much, start on one side and on the other, okay? As if it were with the whole hand, okay? There. Okay? And remember that this is a massage too. Is that clear? This is to help mobilize blood in the neck area. It's recommended for 1.5 minutes, preferably in the morning, to stretch and prevent skin sagging. This is the initial message: maximize character count. It's important to maintain consistency. We will do this daily. In the morning for 3 or 4 weeks, and it's important. Also, be sure to capture a photograph on the initial day you begin. Every week, capture a picture and observe the contrast between the initial and final shots. Let's continue with the second massage. The second massage is called finger tapping. And of course, you know how it is, right? Instead of keeping our fingers straight, we will slightly curve them to prevent any injuries. When it comes to striking, we won't hit too forcefully, rather opting for a gentle tap. Is that all right with you? We will be focusing on the lymphatic system during our work. Here, you have the option to utilize either 3, 4, or 2 fingers. I highly recommend proceeding in this manner, okay? Here, moving upward, massaging a little. In regards to tapping, we will strike on one side 60 times, equivalent to 60 taps. 60 taps on the other side. A sagging neck refers to the loosening of skin in the neck that occurs with aging because of reduced levels of collagen and elastin. The condition is caused by the loss of collagen and elastin. This lack of tightness in the skin can lead to saggy and loose appearance, impacting both how someone looks and how confident they feel about themselves. Laxity is primarily a result of aging, but it can also be expedited by exposure to the sun, insufficient hydration, or lifestyle choices such as smoking. These factors can all contribute to the loosening of the skin over time. Next, we will proceed to perform the knuckle massage. This particular massage offers numerous benefits, including deep relaxation and gentle skin stretching. Where do we start? Take a look at this. This text consists of 34 characters. Let's begin here, all right? Here stand the small skeletal structures. So here, don't press too hard, okay? We'll go up. With our index fingers, we'll use them all. Follow me a little. Here and here we open up, all right? Use your knuckles and pull back. Be careful not to press too much. All right? Here. Follow me. Tap, 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 tap. And back. Follow me here. Look how the line goes on. I'm going up one, then another. And back. Ruben, how many times will we perform this task? We shall undertake it. You can do it for roughly 1.5 minutes. Give it a try. Around 10 to 12 times. Next, we shall proceed with a lymphatic massage. Please note that having oil is crucial for this particular type of massage. Without oil. We are planning to perform the lymphatic massage. Can you remember how we do it? Do you happen to recall that famous Star Trek series? The catchphrase, live long and prosper, right? That's wonderful. It's absolutely perfect. Shall we position it in this area to address the initial chain of lymph nodes situated in the neck? In doing so, we will commence our efforts here to where you can get, okay? Please join us upstairs. Do not remain here, all right? You can do it on both sides, okay? Okay? We will work here. Make sure you notice that my hand isn't moving at all, okay? It stays perfectly still. And we will do it about 60 times approximately, okay? On both sides. Here. There we are. Okay? Let's drain the lymphatic system. The second part of the massage we will perform, is it all right? Extend your open hand, keeping your fingers slightly spaced as well, in the neck area, and without shifting. Okay? Do not break the elasticity here, but simply here. All right? Please keep in mind, the lymphatic massage should involve minimal movement and avoid excessive pressure, ensuring an optimal experience. And we will do it here roughly 30 times, of course on one side, and then also on the other side. So you have this fantastic lymphatic massage for the neck. Now we'll do the final massage. Take a glance using both thumbs. Incorporate a small quantity of oil. We join them here, okay? Don't let it fall. There. We'll begin here at the chin, all right? To mark the line a little, all right? Just to jog your memory, our focus is on addressing the issue of a sagging neck. To begin, we'll target an acupuncture point located here and then proceed downwards. And we descend below the skeletal structure, extending towards the area of the mouth. Exercise caution to prevent excessive force, refrain from exerting undue pressure, and be mindful of stretching the neck excessively. Ease the neck a bit. Here. Settle in and then here. All right? And raise the jaw until you get to the ears, all right? We will repeat. Okay? We're stretching the skin a bit, and we are currently clearing this particular area, all right? Here. I'll repeat. Until we finish. And we end here by lifting up. Final massage, and now we'll address the point. Let's go to the point. It's called Tian Tu, Rem Mai, number 22, okay? And we're going to find it under the Adam's apple, see? We'll continue a bit here. And notice that the finger falls, well, there, before reaching the bone, okay? Between the Adam's apple and the bone. Press this point with caution, but let's proceed and do it if necessary. Lift your thumb vertically higher to make it the choice due to its greater prominence. Right, more contour, meaning it's larger, it's thicker, okay? And what are we going to do? Here, okay? We're going to pull a bit upward. Is it okay that this point has advantages? Let me provide an example. Blood circulation. And what's also mentioned a bit in Chinese is that it draws energy upward, meaning it greatly assists in lifting the neck. You know what I mean? We will position it in this spot. And we'll do it with a bit more speed. That would be it, okay? Always remember to push upwards, avoiding any inward pressure or movement. And remember, besides these points, the massages we've done are very good. We're going to start doing them every morning. Before we start, let's take a picture before the treatment, which lasts 4 weeks, and after 4 weeks, we'll take another picture. Take a moment to observe the contrast and expertise the 5 massages. Also, bear in mind the significance, as well as allocating roughly a minute and a half for each exercise every morning. We have various videos for the neck and specifically for the double chin. I'll leave them here for you to look at and try out. And as always, like, bell, and subscribe. Long life and success, and to healing and beyond that.